Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. I hope you all are well, fit and fine. Today I am going to make aloo paratha. So first I am going to knead the dough. I have taken some maida. This I will put. This is about 1 bowl of maida, and I will mix some atta also in it. Now I will put water and knead the atta and the maida together. I did not put salt in the atta. If you all want to put salt, you all can put. I have kneaded the dough. The dough is ready now. I'll keep this aside. Friends, to make the aloo paratha, I have boiled up some potatoes. You can see it's hot now. It's very hot. I will peel this off, peel the skin, and then start making the parathas. And whatever ingredients I will put in this while making, I will show. Friends, I have taken the boiled potatoes. Now I'll mash them this way. Once the potatoes are mashed, I will fry the potatoes. Put some refined oil. I'm making this in the refined oil. Now I'm going to fry the potatoes, the mashed potatoes. I've taken some ajwain. This I will put in. I've taken green chilies chopped up, 2 onions chopped up, and some garlic pods chopped up. All this I will put in the oil. I'll fry the onions brown. The onions are almost turned brown. You can see it. It's turned brown. Now I will put in the mashed potatoes. Put some salt to taste. And mix it well. Friends, now I am going to make the balls. This way I will make the balls. I've made the balls. Now I'm going to roll them out and put the aloo stuffing. Friends, this way I will roll all the chapatis, all the rotis, and put the potato stuffing this way. This way I will do with all the balls. Friends, I have stuffed all the balls with the potato stuffing. You can see. Now I'm going to roll them out and then fry the parathas. Friends, now I'll roll one paratha out now. This way. Very lightly I have to roll the parathas, otherwise it will break. how nice this is rolled out. Now I will fry it. The pan is gone hot. Now I will put the paratha this way. Now I will turn this to another side. Now I will turn it again this way. Now I will put some oil and fry it. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, comment, share. Friends, this is a healthy breakfast. You can have it for breakfast. How nicely it's frying, you can see. And put some butter on it and then eat it. It will be very tasty to eat. This aloo paratha is ready. Now this way I will fry all the parathas. Friends, my aloo paratha is ready. Now I will put some butter. With butter, it tastes very nice. You can have it along with it. Friends, my healthy breakfast is ready to be eaten. I hope you all will like it. Thank you for watching my video.